In this video, we will learn about packages in R language. Packages in R are a collection of functions and sample data. By default, when we install R in our system, some packages are installed with that. There are some functions in R that are helpful when we are dealing with packages. First is a library function. This gives a list of all the packages that are already installed in our system. Second is install.packages. To install a new package in our system, we use this function. Inside the brackets, we write the name of that package. Third function is used to load a package to a library. The syntax of using this function is, first we write the library keyword followed by the starting bracket. Inside this, we write the package name followed by a comma and followed by the directory where the package is located. Now let us see a practical implementation of all these functions.
In the first line, we are trying to get the library locations where our packages are stored on our local machine. For this, we use the .lib paths function. When you try to run this, this will give us the path where all the libraries are stored. In my device, all the libraries are stored in library/frameworks/R frameworks version 3.4 resources, and inside the library, all the packages are stored. After that, we'll try to get the list of all the packages that are installed. We'll try to run this, and this will give us the list of packages in our library. So these are all the packages that I have installed in my device. After that, we'll try to see all the packages that are currently loaded in our environment. For this, we'll use the search function, and this will give us the value of all the packages that are currently loaded in our environment. After that, we'll try to install a package called XML by the statement install.packages and the name of the package. When we run this, it will try to install this. So currently, it cannot open the URL because my device is not connected to the internet. So when you try to run this and you are connected to the internet, it will go and download XML package for you. After that, you can install the package. After that, you can load the package XML by the following statement like library XML. So, because my device was not connected to the internet, it could not be downloaded, but I have downloaded the package earlier also, so it can import the package in my environment. This is all we will do with packages. Thank you.